Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today we are discussing about citric acid production. Citric acid is a weak organic acid found in citrus fruit, lemon. It is a good natural preservative and it is also used as an acidic taste for food and soft drinks. More than million tons are produced every year by the fermentation. Properties of citric acid. At room temperature, citric acid is a crystalline powder. It can be exist either in an anhydrous, that means water-free form, or as a monohydrate. Anhydrous for the crystalline from hot water, whereas a monohydrate forms, which is the citric acid crystallite from the cold water. And from after the heating process, the temperature was 78 degrees Celsius. Citric acid is also dissolved in a absolute ethanol at 50 degrees Celsius. When heated above 175 degrees Celsius, it decomposes through the loss of CO2 and water. Occurrence: citric acid exists in a greater than trace amount in a variety of fruits, vegetables, most notably citrus fruits. Limes have particular high concentration of acids, constitute of 8% of dry weight of fruits, and concentration of citric acid citrus fruit ranges the 0.05 mole per liter. Orange and grapefruits also have contain 0.30%, and lemon and limes. Discovery The discovery of citric acid have been credited to 8th century Muslim and Zabir Iyan Hayana. Citric acid was first isolated in 1784 by the Swedish chemist who crystallized it from lemon juice. Industrial scale citric acid production began in 1819 based on Italian citrus fruit industry. Then 1893 penicillin mole could produce citric acid from the sugar. 1917 American food chemist James also discovered. Then after Aspergillus niger, then citric billing in 1929. They have some scientists, we have isolated citrus from particular roots. Microorganism using in production is Aspergillus niger, and citric acid production is mixed growth mainly take place into nitrogen and phosphate. Limitation growth has ceased. Medium requirement for production is carbon source, molasses and sugar. Nitrogen source are reduced in iron, manganese and high dissolved oxygen also required. High sugar concentration at pH is less than 2 and temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Industrial production of citric acid, it contain a bioreactor. Bioreactor also used as a batch or feed batch, and 5 to 25 into 10 to power 6 aspergillus spores in, also added in a fermenter. Then we have waiting for the aeration by the sparing method. Then temperature also controlled by the cooling coils, and agitation 5 to 100 degree rpms. Then we are using a feed batch fermenter for this process. And further we have after separation, we are using a filtration process for the separation. Then in a recovery process of the, then we are using separation for the citric acid from the liquid precipitation. Calcium hydroxide also added for obtain calcium citrate, then tetrahydrate, then washed from the passive. This is the process of general separation. Then we have added to tetrahydrate, then washed by the precipitated, then dissolved, dilute sulfuric acid, then yield citric acid also, calcium sulfuric precipitated, then bleach and crystallization process, then hydrogen anhydrous and monohydrate. We can isolate it easily. This is the general process how to do separation through the fermentation. Microorganism, this is the microorganism which are using in a production. These are the bioreactors for the cell recycles and distillation process also 97% ethanol water. And how to do purification in a typical method used to purification of citric acids are fermentation broth involving two major purification techniques. Thank you.